If you've just gotten out of a toxic relationship, or even if it ended months ago but the pain still lingers, then this video is for you. Healing isn't just about moving on, it's about coming home to yourself. When a toxic relationship ends, it doesn't just break your heart, it fractures your sense of self. You may feel empty, confused, ashamed, even addicted to the person who hurt you. I know because I've been there. So today I want to walk you through 5 healing steps that help me reclaim my identity, my confidence, and my peace. Step 1, go no contact and mean it. Healing doesn't begin until the cycle ends. Going no contact or low contact, if there's kids involved, is the most powerful gift you can give your nervous system. You need distance to detox emotionally, because every text, every check-in, every just wondering how you're doing is a trap that keeps you emotionally hooked. Block, delete, unfollow, and if it feels brutal, good. This means you're finally choosing you. Step 2, regulate your nervous system. You've probably been living in fight or flight mode for a long time. You were constantly on edge, trying to avoid conflict, earn love, or anticipate their moods. That doesn't go away overnight. Start small, grounding exercises, journaling, breath work, going for slow, mindful walks, listening to your own silence without fear. And as you begin to unwind, let yourself feel, let yourself release, and let go of all the guilt for staying too long, for breaking down, for going back, for loving someone who didn't know how to love you. You don't have to carry it anymore. The goal right now isn't to feel amazing. It's simply to help your body feel safe again. And from that place of safety, healing becomes possible. Step 3, grieving the illusion. You're not just grieving them, you're grieving what you thought it could be, the hope, the future you imagined, the version of them you kept waiting to come back. Give yourself space to feel it. Cry, scream, write it out. Don't rush your grief, because if you don't feel it, you'll carry it. I remember going back over and over. I'd finally leave, felt strong, promised myself it was done, and then I'd break. I didn't understand why I kept going back to this chaos. I hated how I felt. And then I'd beat myself up for not being strong enough, for not following through. But here's what I didn't know at the time. I wasn't addicted to them. I was addicted to the hope of who they could be. I was trauma bonded. I was used to surviving in the chaos, so peace felt so unfamiliar. And when someone mixes affection with pain, love starts to look like confusion, not safety. Step 4, rebuild your identity. That's why healing is about more than just cutting ties. It's about reconnecting with who you really are. Because in a toxic relationship, you slowly abandon yourself to keep the peace. So ask yourself, who were you before this? What made you light up? Who do you want to become moving forward? What did you love about yourself before you started walking on eggshells? Whether you want to become a new person or to come home to the version of you that was always there underneath the survival mode. Step 5, creating new standards for love. Healing isn't just about what you're walking away from. It's about what you're walking towards. You now get to decide. What does safe love feel like? What are my new non-negotiables? What kind of relationship will I never tolerate again? This is the moment where you become unavailable for breadcrumbs and start holding out for your wholeness. Healing after a toxic relationship takes time. Every single step you take is a revolution. You are not broken. You are healing. You are rebuilding a life that finally feels like yours. If you're ready to go deeper, to walk this healing journey with tools, reflection, and support, I created a 30-day self-paced course called Reclaiming Your Identity After Trauma. It's gentle, powerful, and was designed for women just like you who are ready to stop surviving and start rising. You'll find the link below, along with other courses and tools inside the Elegance Lifestyle Academy. Your healing isn't someday, it starts right now.